On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, guys? You like free stuff? If so, keep watching, because I was sent a few of these bike phone holders for review. I won't try to pronounce the manufacturer of it, but the model is a PBH503. Eowihor. Eowihor. Suitable vehicles is bicycles, motorcycles, electric vehicles, and treadmills. So I'm going to be giving 3 of these away. And I'm going to do it a little differently than other people do. What I'm going to do is ask questions about my previous or older videos that you guys will answer in the comments. And the first correct comment will win one of these. Second correct comment will get another one, and the third correct comment will get the third. I do it off my app. It arranges them in order of time, same way I do my free key tag giveaway for the first comment. So yeah, if you're interested in one of these, whether you want to buy one or if you want to win one of these 3, keep watching. Looks like it has different size, multiple rubber shims for different size and diameter handlebars. Here's the clamp for the handlebar mount. The only thing better would be if it had a quick swivel disconnect here for going from one handlebar to another. But no tools needed because it has its own little cambered lock. See how that works. Doesn't look like you can lock it underneath here because it doesn't go far enough. It wants to open. It has to go up to there in order for that cam to be on a flat so it doesn't try to work itself open. I see that right off the bat. Okay, it comes with 2 handlebar holders for 2 different size diameter bars, which is a good idea because these new e-bikes have a really fat bar down by the neck. The user's manual, and this is the holder. Which also has a cammed quick release. Doesn't look like it comes with a auxiliary silicone rubber to hold the phone, but it does have pretty deep grooves in there. I have a Samsung 23 Ultra, which is probably the biggest phone they make right now. Oh. Nice rubber padding where it'll contact your phone. Yeah, I don't think that's going anywhere. That's pretty good so far. Oh, it takes a lot of pressure to push it out. You can't tighten it more. It does not interfere with any of my buttons. Maybe if you have a smaller phone and the buttons are here, but it looks like it gives a little bit of relief in there too, just in case you do have the buttons. Like that. Has a V. I'm going to take this all the way apart to see what kind of screw they use in here and how long it'll actually be when you open it all the way. Wow, quite a bit more than I'd imagine. There. Has 2 springs. Looks like a knurled insert that's threaded. It's magnetic, but it's not very strong magnetic. That one is. So this is definitely not stainless. I don't think this is either. sure these springs are on those little nipples that stick up. Yeah, I said nipples. So it looks like minimum width would be about 2 3/8 of an inch wide. That's a teeny phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure we have enough threads in there. And the maximum width, 3 3/4. A lot bigger than this phone. Being that this screw will unscrew all the way without a little knurl or stop on the end of it, means it may unscrew itself. So you can put this in here, squeeze it on the phone. Clamp it down. I made it a little tighter that time, and I can't even push it out with my fingers. Looks pretty safe so far. This knob, I can't break it off by hand, so that seems pretty safe too. That's a nice tight fit. Tighten that up all the way. Oh yeah. You can barely move it. So that's a pretty good machine piece there, and how they did it. So the whole thing is plastic, except the threads. Now this one has an aluminum lever on it for the clamp on the handlebars. Well, maybe you could do it this way if we get it tight enough, but it seems like the flat of that lever mechanism is up here. Yeah, see? Where if I move it to here and then go all the way with it, that's a flat, that's not coming off. Well, until you pull it. So I guess we'll see how it works. Those Chinese bikes I have a lot of vibration. That definitely won't hold that way. The design of that cam is meant to go full stop. And then it does hold. Let's see how this works on a bike and a motorcycle. So on my bras here, this has, I forget what size bar this is. It's gonna need a lot of rubbers.
That's what she said.
Same thing on a Raven. This other one's huge. On this e-bike, don't look like you need anything with that clamp. The smaller clamp, the larger clamp would probably be too big, yeah. That's on the X50. And on my Hovsco e-bike, looks like it's a smaller clamp also, with several of those rubber strips. So let's switch this over to the smaller clamp. These rubber strips have a little lip on the end that hold them in there. Two are the shortest. I'll try it with one. Wow, we're gonna need a lot more than one. I need 3. We're going to need 3. Of course, put the bigger ones on the outside. 3 it is. pretty tight. See how much swivel we get out of it. That looks pretty good. I get quite a bit. Having a little extra rubber might make it vibrate a little, but it'll probably protect it from vibrations at the same time. Might do the job. I don't leave my phone up there, only when I need it. It seems like pretty good plastic. I can't break it. By hand, that is. That will work. And I have the lever flipped all the way in here. Suppose you could put a tie wrap if you're worried about it. That camber should be a little bit machined better where it starts making it pull itself closed when it's closed all the way. But a little tie wrap will hold that. Alright guys, now for the free giveaway for 3 of these if you want one. Have to make it a little bit of a tough one. So the question is, what is the date that I released the first Hawk video? First correct comment gets a free one. Second correct comment gets a second free one, and a third correct comment gets a third free one. I'll post all 3 winners in the comments, and I'll actually pin the post up at top with the link for these if you decide to buy one. So good luck, guys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.